Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this FreeCAD guide for 2026, I'll show you how to draw a three-dimensional model in FreeCAD. Whether you're designing mechanical parts, product prototypes, engineering components, or personal projects, FreeCAD provides powerful tools for creating accurate three-dimensional models. So let's get started. First, launch FreeCAD and open an existing project or create a new one. Once you're in the workspace, save your project so you can keep track of your progress as you build your model. Next, switch to the Part Design workbench. This is one of the most commonly used workbenches for creating three-dimensional objects and solid models in FreeCAD. Before creating your model, you'll need to create a new body. Click the Create Body option to establish the main container that will hold your design features. You can continue building the model by creating additional sketches and using tools like Pocket, Fillet, Chamfer, Hole, Revolve, or Loft to add more detail and functionality. As you work, rotate the view frequently to inspect your model from different angles and make sure everything looks correct. Don't forget to save your project regularly. Once you're satisfied with the design, review the final model and make any necessary adjustments before exporting or manufacturing the part. And that's how to draw a three-dimensional model in FreeCAD. By combining sketches, constraints, and modeling features, you can create detailed and accurate designs for a wide range of projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.